Hi, it's Mike from the Throttlestop. What a great car do I have to show you guys today. This is a kind of a vanilla 1959 T-Bird. Cool things about it though, it is a manual transmission car, a 3 on the tree even. But what really makes this car exciting is what's under the hood. Ford 427 single overhead cam Cammer engine. Where else but the Throttlestop are you going to see something like that? So I know you guys are all wondering, why did we take a 1959 Ford Thunderbird and put in a 427 single overhead cam motor? Well, part of that reason is we have running engine displays that are great for our cars and coffees, where we pull out some motors, fire them up, and you get to hear the roar of the engine. One of those is a 427 single overhead cam motor. Well, instead of just having that as a static display that you can hear every once in a while, why not put it into a car? The car that we had was a 59 T-Bird. So a project like this isn't easy. Again, we have a running engine display and we have a 59 T-Bird that has an engine and transmission in it. Luckily for us, our good friends down in Waukesha, Wisconsin, Kilpatrick, was able to solve all the problems. Okay, so I gotta show you guys what we actually did by putting this motor in here and how it looks. I gotta tell you, you're gonna love it. I get excited every time I see it. Damn, look at that. That is an amazing dual quad 427 single overhead cam motor. It's just stunning. It's like one of those things when you see it, it's just like, holy crap. Okay, so enough about the chocolate or the 59 T-Bird. Let's tell you a little bit about the peanut butter. This is really good peanut butter, by the way. It's a Ford 427 single overhead cam. As you can see, there's the hemispherical cylinder heads that they designed and built to compete against the 426 Hemi, although NASCAR didn't let them play in that game because they banned them. This has also got the 2 4-barrels, something you'd see more on a drag strip, again, in a 65 Comet or early front engine dragster ripping down the drag strip. These engines are just awesome to look at, eye candy, if you will, for a car guy. Enough looking at it, we really got to do this thing. All right, onto the exhaust. Really, just a wonderful piece of art that was done by Connor at Kilpatrick Engine Transmission. If you notice, everything's all handmade stainless, including the X pipe that he put in, the bullet mufflers to help keep the engine quiet, as well as the full-size mufflers are off the back on each side. Again, true dual exhaust like it would have had, but again, to help keep the thing quiet, having the secondary mufflers in there really help keep the car more streetable and quiet. To the front's where all the magic really happened. It's a split design on each side, so you got 2 tubes coming between the lower control arms, as well as 2 tubes coming up over the frame on the back. Same on the driver's side. Really a true work of art by Connor, and it really shows, but you have to see it from the bottom. You can't see that stuff from the top. So again, that's why I wanted to take you guys under here and give you a look. Well, there you have it. That's our Reese's Peanut Butter Cup of a car. It's our beautiful 59 T-Bird and our really neat 427 single overhead cam motor. Thanks again for stopping by. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Of course, always hit that like and subscribe button. Again, I'm Mike, this is Throttlestop, and we are driven by passion.